Those of you from outside Japan are most likely pondering, what in blazes is the Toyota Water? The original model sent off in 2011 was sold as a rebadged Prius C beyond its homegrown market. Its substitution was uncovered last year as a little hatchback riding on a similar stage as the Yaris. It's somewhat longer than the supermini, and for 2023, it's seeking the GR game treatment. Bear in mind, the past General Water was additionally changed by Gazoo hustling back in 2017. Being a section-level GR game trim level instead of the mid-range GR or the leader GRMN, the subcompact hatchback is all show with practically no extra go. All things considered, there are some equipment changes as the electric power controlling has been adjusted to hone up taken care of. Moreover, the front and back suspensions have been solidified, yet the last option holds the essential twist pillar arrangement as opposed to changing to a multi-interface format. Gazoo Dashing's designers added additional propping under the floor and built up the back guard for better soundness while cornering at higher velocities. The Power Plus mode gives a more straightforward controlling reaction than before to cause the water to feel dexterous despite the fact that there's no ludicrously strong Super 3-pot motor in the engine. The somewhat more forceful body is joined with elite 17-inch wheels enveloped by Bridgestone Potenza 205/45 R17 tires. Inside, the GR-marked front seats benefit from additional sidelong help and are shrouded in engineered cowhide joined with a sort of texture just presented on the GR game. Aluminum pedals, a 3-talked guiding wheel, and dull accents adjust the changes. The Water GR game can be had exclusively with front-wheel drive, however other trim levels are accessible with AWD. Inspiration is given by a 3-chamber 1.5-liter gas motor great for a powerful 91 drive, 67 kilowatts, at 5,500 revolutions per minute and 120 Newton meters, 89 pound-feet, of force at 3,800 revolutions per minute. Most would agree you won't be brought down any lap records around Suzuka. It's the 6th individual from the GR game setup in Japan where the Water joins the Copen, Yaris, CHR, Helix, and the Land Cruiser. The worldwide family is significantly more prominent considering Toyota likewise sells the RAV4 and Corolla Cross in GR game flavor. There's even a Fortuner GR game filling in as a body on outline SUV with back tire drive. Accessible just in Japan, the Toyota Water GR game retails from 2,595,000 yen, about $18,800 at flow trade rates.